Warhawk 9000 here with another airsoft gun. This is the AK-47, a variant to the AK-47. This is the CYMA CM042S. So this is how the box looks like. The very big picture of the gun in front. It's all black and white. Nothing special. Here are some specs of the gun. Yep. Model numbers CM042S by CYMA. Okay, let me get this out of the box. When you first open the box, this is what you will see. Styrofoam to hold the gun together so it won't get damaged during shipping or something. So just styrofoam. And here is the gun laid out. You have the magazine, the gun, the battery. Under the gun is the cleaning slash unjamming rod, and this little package. Inside is the shitty wall charger and a tool to adjust the front sight. So this is all laid out. Let me get this out of the box to show you everything. Now that I have the gun out of the box, let's get a closer look at what's inside here. Okay. So, like I said, it comes with a shitty wall charger and the tool to adjust the front sight. It's out of the way. The battery is an 8.4 volt milliamp 1200 milliamp battery that comes with the battery that comes with the gun. It's stick type, so nothing special, simple battery. The magazine that the gun comes with holds 600 rounds, making it a high cap. It is made out of metal. To load the BBs, you would have to open this tab, pour the BBs in, close it, and on the under the magazine, wind the wheel to load the BBs into the gun. And it's pretty simple. Just insert the magazine. Hold on, like that. Once you hear it click, it won't go anywhere. Okay, so that's that. The battery is housed under inside the upper receiver by pressing this button. Pressing it will pop off the top receiver. From there you can connect the battery. The gun is made out of all metal and wood. The metal parts include the upper and lower receiver, the trigger guard, and the front barrel assembly, while the grip and the hand grip are made out of real wood. The gun has a hop up which can be accessed by pulling the cocking handle back and thus revealing the hop up right there. The stock is a collapsible stock. Since this is the AK-47, the gun has a collapsible stock, unlike the traditional AK-47, which does not. So by unfolding the stock, what you would want to do is on the other side of the gun, here is the button to release the stock by pressing it. Hold on, let me do this with two hands. pressing it, there you go, will allow you to extend the stock. There you go, like so. And this is how the gun looks like with the extended stock. And while on this side, here you can see the two sling points, here and here. Alright, so get this turned over. The sights on the gun are adjustable. The rear sight is adjustable for elevation as well as the front sight. The gun shoots at around 400 to 450 feet per second with a .2 gram BB. With this gun, I would recommend using something higher than that, more like a, say, 25 gram BB, or I wouldn't go over like a .28 since it's a little too heavy. But other than that, it's a great airsoft gun to use on the field. The AK-47 was mainly used by paratroopers and transport by Russian troops in their vehicles. So that's why it has the collapsible stock, so it could be easier for the Russian troops to carry on in the tanks and whatnot. So yep, this is the AK-47, a variant of the AK-47 by CYMA, model number CM042S. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment below, and I will try my best to reply back. So until next time, have a great day.